Welcome to the Green Valley Installation and Operation Tutorial Series. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to install the Frontpack kit for the LiGrip O2. The Frontpack kit is designed for wearable data collection. It does not change the device's data collection mode. Before use, prepare the Frontpack kit, including the harness vest, support arm, and phone mount. First, put on the harness vest. Slip it on from above, then fasten the back buckle, followed by the side buckles. Pull out the underarm strap and secure it to the front buckle. The harness vest is now ready. Next, install the support arm. Open the locking latch, slide the support arm into the front mounting slot, then close the latch to secure it. After installation, check the horizontal locking knob. Tighten it, if needed, to prevent lateral movement. If using the phone mount, insert its base into the support arm slot. Tighten the knob, then place the phone in the mount. Next, install the device. Remove the positioning base. Align the locating holes and screw holes beneath the handle battery with those on the support arm. Then tighten the lower knob to secure the device. Once installed, loosen the horizontal adjustment knob to adjust the device orientation, then retighten it. The device is now ready for data collection. Keep the device still during initialization. Movement may cause initialization failure and reduce data quality. During data collection, move the device slowly and steadily. To remove the equipment, loosen the phone mount knob, remove the phone and the mount, then loosen the knob beneath the handle battery and remove the device. Release the support arm locking latch, then slide the support arm upward to remove it. Finally, release the front chest strap, unfasten the side and back buckles, and remove the harness vest.